Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go ahead and show you something that we're going to take with us on our work camping adventure in Allegheny State Park. A lot has happened lately with fire bans because of the dry weather and transporting firewood around here in the Northeast, trying to keep away from the emerald ash borer. And we're kind of excited about getting something that we're going to try to use. We've kind of missed out on having a campfire the last little while we've been camping with Judy's mom. She doesn't like the smell of smoke. We got the Outland Firebowl, and it's the 893 DS edition, and it's actually one of the lower priced. We're going to open this up and see what we got. Very top, we got an owner's manual and some instructions and a cover for it. Let's go ahead and pull that out and set that right on top of that. Get rid of some of this foam. Now what we got in here, in this package, we'll open it up and show you. This right here is a ring that you put down so you can set your 20-pound propane cylinder into it. It gives you a little bit more of a base to it. We kind of like to put the propane tank into a milk crate. That makes it more stable and easier to transport it that way. But this comes along with the kit. Okay, so we'll go ahead. This is the fire pit. I'll set it over to the side. Inside we got some other pit. We got some rocks. We got some more rocks. We got some more rocks. We got some more rocks. And there we have it, like that. The pit itself, and attached to the fire pit is a 10-foot hose that goes to your propane tank. At the end of the hose is a regulator that you can screw onto it. Now this regulator has got a special thing to it, so like if something tips over it, or if it's got a very fast leak, it'll shut off. So what they recommend is that when you put this onto your propane tank, open the valve up really slowly so that you don't get a sudden blast of propane into it to make that thing shut off. You can wind this up a little bit, keep it out of the way. Inside, you can see there's a stainless steel burner. Along the sides, you can see that it's got some little fire pieces, or it looks like they're punched out so that there's fire on there. Kind of neat. In the front, you have the knob, the on-off, so you can adjust the amount of flame that you have. The cover goes on. When you're done with it, the cover goes on and covers up all your rocks and all of that. And then this strap, you have this special straps that goes over the top and catches onto side. You want to make sure that the thing is cooled down before you try to put the straps and the cover on. So then you have a place with a nice little handle so that you can carry it around, and everything stays nice and solid or clean inside of it, so that when you pack it away in your rig, it stays out of the way. All you have to do is put the rocks in. And being that they're different sizes, they pretty much are.
Are you supposed to use all of them?
Yep. You have one bag of large rocks You have 2 bags of medium-sized rocks that you put in on top of the large rocks. A large rocks keep the stones up a little bit higher. And then you got this that says spare rocks. But we're going to go ahead and put them right in it because I don't think we're going to carry a bag around with us. So now what we'll do is we'll wait until a little bit later on when it gets a little bit warmer or a little bit darker, and we'll go ahead and show you what it looks like. And it was a very easy process of getting it out and putting it out. Put our cover fits over the top of the rocks just like that. And we look like we're going to have a good time with a fire.
Did it? If you're interested in purchasing the Outlander 893DS propane fire pit, you can find a link down below. There's a link to our Amazon store where we list many of the products that we use. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave us comments down below, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.